What do you think is your edge from your other co-candidates?
Oh, ang dali ng tanong.
The edge for my other
The edge?
My edge is for the other candidate is my
Beautiful face.
Oo, yun na! O, X na
Wait lang,
te.
kaya ko gusto niya.
Yung iba dyan nagmamaganda sa likod eh.
My edge to the other candidate is my beauty. Because B is for my... Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi nakalimutan kay Emma. Nakalimutan ko dapat.
Or your eyes? Because my eyes can catch your eyes. Ibigay mo yung microphone.
Candidate number 2. Good evening, Judge number 1. Hello. Kamusta po kayo?
Ano?
Okay, candidate number 2.
Hello.
You're given a chance to compete by Miss Universe this 2012. What preparation would you do and why?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I don't have any preparation because, ladies and gentlemen, I'm confident and I have a lot of confidence
Miss,
and
magpipili ng mananalo.
confident, ladies and gentlemen, and
Kahit pag mali
as
yung
a
grammar.
homosexual, as a homosexual, ladies and gentlemen, are proud to be a one of the candidate of Miss Universe. Thank you and good evening.
Ikaw na, Josh.
Mali yung yorwak ng journey, yung ano nyo, yung ng...
Oo nga, ganyan.
Ganyan.
Okay, candidate number what did you choose between
Your mother and father.
common sense
And
and...
sense
What is the difference between joy and happiness?
Okay.
Oo. Kung kaya ko sagutin niya. What is the difference between joy and happiness?
Joy means kaligayahan.
Tagalog.
Happiness means
Kasayahan.
kasiyahan. Well,
Spelling.
kaligayahan, joy, ito yung pakiramdam. Natuwang-tuwa ka sa isang bagay. And happiness, ito yung pakiramdam na masaya ka sa nangyari.
Sa iyong
araw
buhay.
na to.
Hindi.
Maraming salamat.
Naglag ako sa
Candidate number 3.
Kaya dapat sinabi mo, joy is ano, dishwashing cleaner and happy is happy toothpaste.
Ay, pupupukan mo na yung mic.
Miss Gretchen
What
Barreto.
did you choose between common sense and sense of humor and why?
Siguro po ang pipiliin ko ay sense of humor. Bakit ko po nasabi, ladies and gentlemen? Dahil po, pag meron ka pong sense of humor,
Ay, nabit ko eh.
hindi ka sis. Ganito ako pag giveaway. Pag meron ka na po, kasi
Ago. Kasi siya ang hard ng mga talak. Dapat mga sweet lang.
pag meron ka na pong, ano ba yun? Sense of humor, malalaman mo at mararamdaman mo kung ano yung mga nasa paligid mo.
Siyempre,
Diba nga, ladies and gentlemen?
Announcement na hawak mo.
Reveal the title mo, sir.
Announcement.
Third runner up muna.
Kahit naman ayoko nung between kasi, ayoko nung mga ganyan.
Third runner up.
Third.
Teka, ako magbibigay ng ano, ng bouquet.
Kuhain ng ganyan, chi.
Bouquet cheese.
Sinuglag yung laptop ko. Nalaglag yung bag ko, sis.
Carry lang mo niya na.
Basta
Joke
ka
it,
na.
kaya.
Nag-joy na ako.
Ni Erna pa may durapat. Kadisi naman
Third runner
Bakit
up.
kinigyan mo ito ninyo?
Miss. Ano ba? Third, second, first, tapos ano?
Title.
Miss Jason Roque.
Soswa.
Oh!
Nakakain. Pa-picture ka muna.
Thank you.
Second.
Title blue, ah.
Glyza. And our Miss Barangay for 2012 is
Ikaw na si
Miss Gretchen Barreto.
Panoorin nga natin.